Dongguan Slocable Photovoltaic Technology Company, established in 2008, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of solar PV cable, solar PV connector, solar PV fuse inline connector, cables assemblies, and other solar-related components. We are located in Dongguan with convenient transportation access. Slocable insists on sustainable innovation and forging ahead in order to provide the economic, safe, competitive solutions with Slocable products for the module manufacturers, distributors, EPC, and installation companies. We will invest major energy in the research and development of the newest connecting options and products. In addition, we have obtained TUV and CE certificates and ISO 9001. Our products have been widely used in many large-scale on-grid and off-grid solar power station projects, and covered about 2/3 of the world, have spread to more than 100 countries and areas in the world, also selling well in China. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. With superior quality, design life for 25 years, and warranty for 5 years, Slocable is very confident to be your unique and better choice.